Yep, I've got the socket, lovely jubbly. Now, I reckon there's a lot of torque that's gone into that hub. Can't really put the bike in gear. I'll stamp on the brake pedal, and let's just see if I can get this up straight away. Whoa, I didn't expect the entire bike to move. Whoa, no chance. Got nowhere near enough leverage. I'll try and step on the brake again and put some weight down on the... No, that's not happening. Now I might set the alarm off on my BM because I'm going to put my hand on it. Oh, that's not good. I think I'm about to have an accident. No, 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 no. That's not happening. I need something on the end of that wrench to give me a lot more leverage. Just see if I can get somewhere with this bad boy. Awkward. Right, that's a good dangle angle. So hopefully... Ah! Wow. Let's have a good long stare at the nut, because there was a mention on the manual of some sort of a tab being on there, or some stake, something in there to stop it undoing by itself. I've had a glance at that nut and I couldn't see anything hanging off it or sticking through it, anything that might stop it from moving, but we'll have another look. For a real close-up look, I'm going to take my glasses off and get my old eyeballs in there, which is probably a bit too close for the camera. Nah, there's nothing. I mean, that looks a bit knackered, but I don't think that by itself will stop the nut moving. Nah, I need a... Looks so knackered, this does. But yeah, I need something smaller. Actually, I will try and find one of those metal screwdrivers with a flat end. Oh, it's already... this screwdriver's already a bit bent at the bloody one end. What are the chances? Well, with my tools, quite high. Nah. The screwdriver's getting destroyed. Hello. It's been a while since I last failed to get off the hub nut because of that weird knackered staked section. So I have ordered a breaker bar, 600mm, so for half a metre. That should help. So I got a note from one of the chaps on the Honda Hawk GT stroke Bros forum, in fact one of the main guys there, if not the forum moderator, prompted me to take another look here at where the oil feed comes in. There was a little kind of a metal rod in there, or little metal tube called the oil orifice, and also what should be in there is an O-ring. Yeah, I can't see an O-ring. I don't think it's in the box. I don't think it's on the actual oil orifice item itself, because I think I would have noticed. Yeah. Oh, there's the O-ring. Excellent. So I think that is it. Let me see if I can just put them together. So I do think that the O-ring belongs there. And I found it and stored it away yesterday. Proper job. I have ordered a used replacement cover for the clutch side that is already lovingly polished. Well, it's been polished anyway, so that's on its way. So this case will soon go away somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to get this side vapor blasted. I think that's my current plan. What also needs to happen then, I need to extract and remove the alternator assembly, which is rather scary because I need to put it back in the order it came off later, and then degrease the cover. I've got some degreaser. I'll do my typical half-assed job, but we'll see how we get on. That's more like it. Ay, ay, ay. Son of a bitch. That's got some serious thread lock on it, I'll tell you that. Whew. If I don't see any thread lock on this, I'll cry. I think it might have been just corrosion actually. Oh, come out. Okay, how easy do you think it's going to be to lift this off? Hooray! Bloody easy, as it turns out. Come on, grommet. Really? Let it out. Yes, you better. Oh my god, I've removed my own stator. Ow. I'm just trying to imagine if I had to do this, if I chose to do this to the whole engine. If I was going to get the whole engine vapor blasted, I'd have to do this on every component. All the barrels, the heads, the engine body, take it all apart, put it back together. Just absolutely no way on God's green earth, other deities are available, that I'm going to do that. It's not going to happen. Hello. Just a little go. It's just lunchtime while I'm working from home, and I just have a little go at the hub nut, which, as we know, has a mullered staked section to it. I'm just gonna have a quick go with this beastie. Got a new breaker bar in the post today. Unfortunately, I think what's going to happen, the force I'm going to put on it is just going to be too much for the back brake, I think, and I think I'll just spin the hub. So, oh my god, it's I was wrong. I've got it going. Oh wow. Oh, how? Oh, what a relief. I did not expect that to work, I'll tell you that. Not so easily. Come on, stop being so excited, slow down. I'll tell you what if I can I just turn that by hand. Ah! Awesome sauce. We off? We are off. Excellent. Can you see how knackered that is? I'll definitely be getting a new replacement nut. Fortunately, I think they're on back order from a Wiimoto in the UK, so might have to shop around a bit. So I'm hoping, I don't know about this bit, I haven't got this far, take that off. Definitely twisting. Oh, here we go. Here goes moment of truth. What we got inside. Wow. They look like they're in really good condition. I expecting these to look absolutely toasted. Knackered. Don't want to pull too hard, I don't want to break anything. I think they're okay. Basically, it can all go back together after all that. Let me put the hub back on. Put all these together. I need to go back to work. But yeah, awesome. Well, that was good news. Turned out much better than I expected. Anyway, I shall see you again shortly. You can see I'm all wrapped up because I'm rather cold. It's cold outside. And I do need to be outside because I have the engine out here. Shake the drips out. Oh, hands are getting a bit slippery. There you go. I'm getting there all. Oh, there's a number down there. What's that? I might wipe it off, I don't know. D1 DT or D1 334. I wonder what that refers to. Up and on the other side. It might drop. Careful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, woo. It's nice. There you go. Whew. Yeah, we'll let it drip dry for a while, and I'll wonder how the hell I'm going to get the diesel off all those bricks soon. Hi there. Right, the engine's been drip drying for about well, an hour and a half maybe now, so it's time to wipe it down with some blue roll and get it back in here. Good, I didn't catch any of my body under anything. That's it. Went back down. Sorted. Can you imagine? You can't, I know you can't see it from here, but somehow that has got to pass an MOT. Can't see how. And I know you definitely can't see this. Let's get a torch. So there's some things I've still got to do on the bike. If you can see it in the dark. Hold on, let's go for that one. This is the fuel pump. You see it's just jerry-rigged there in position. So I've got to reposition that. I don't want it in its original position because I want to open up this space. I'll be cutting off the bottom of the mudguard as I have a hugger going on. Need to get rid of the bottom of the mudguard, find somewhere to put the fuel pump. This isn't happening by spring, is it? This chain guard, you remember I put it upside down earlier. Yeah, that's got to go. That's going to get replaced by the hugger. So there's still a few steps to take on this bike before it's ready to roll.